Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm trying some new Pyssla beads from IKEA. As you can see here, I bought this container on my local IKEA store. This was around $10. I think it has like 10,000 beads. As you can see, I already started sorting it out, and let's try it out. I'm also gonna be using the IKEA Penguin since I'm not using Midi bits on my regular projects. So let's get started with today's video. Enjoy! Today we will be making a cute Pikachu coaster, and I'll be using black, yellow and brown. It's been a while since I've created something with Midi beads, because all of my creations are made from Artkal mini beads, so it was a nice thing to try again and see how it is. I feel it's very different from using mini beads. In some way it's even harder or weird since I'm not using this size of beads. The IKEA Pyssla beads comes in a container which has 10 different colors. In this container you will find black, white, brown, green, blue, pink, purple, red, orange and yellow, and I think there's around 10,000 beads in this container. I tried using the masking tape method as well, as you can see, and I used my tweezers to poke holes since I don't have Midi boards for it, and the IKEA boards are all colored so you don't see anything through it. The masking tape method didn't work out so well because the beads won't stick to it very good, and I had to fix it after I took it off the board. For ironing, I used the IKEA parchment paper which I got with the boards. There are 2 pieces of parchment paper and they are the size of the big square whiteboard. I used almost maximum heat on my iron since I don't know yet the heat level required for these beads, and I wanted to get a good result and not over melt it by accident. I ironed both sides and I think that the final piece turned out pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about IKEA beads if you try them, and which brand are you using for your creations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!